Find or read reviews that people are talking about OUCAXIA Y50S Robotic Pool Cleaner. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Tangle-Free Cordless Pool Vacuum. The Y50S Pool Vacuum Cleaner thoroughly cleans pool floors, walls, and water lines, ensuring no spot is missed. With tangle-free cordless design, this robotic pool cleaner moves freely in above and in-ground pools. It delivers a sparkling clean with minimal effort, ideal for daily maintenance or getting your pool ready for weekend gatherings. High-performance cleaning. The robotic pool cleaner is equipped with a high-performance 110-watt brushless motor to provide 3,120 GPH strong suction power, ensures deep cleaning results every time. It can easily pick up debris like twigs, small stones, effectively removes sand, leaves, tile lines, and scum buildup. Particularly useful for pools surrounded by trees, grass, or in windy areas. 4-in-1 smart cleaning modes. Switch between floor, wall, waterline, or all cover modes to customize cleaning based on your pool's needs. The automatic pool vacuum adapts to different pool shapes and sizes, no matter its rectangular, round, or free-form designs, ensuring efficient cleaning on any pool surface. Superior wall climbing for all pool types. Equipped with dual PVC roller brushes and anti-slip treads, the Y50S pool vacuum cleaning robot climbs walls effortlessly and efficiently cleans all kinds of pool surface like gumite, concrete, fiberglass and vinyl and more. Its adaptive cleaning system automatically adjusts to different wall angles and surfaces. 5100 mAh battery for extended runtime. With long-lasting battery runtime and quick and easy charging design, the Y50S cordless pool vacuum cleans up to 200 square meter or 2,153 square feet, in a single cycle, perfect for small, medium to large-sized pools. No more interruptions for recharging. Intelligent cleaning navigation. Using advanced gyroscopes and ultrasonic sensors, this smart pool vacuum for in-ground pools follows systematic Z pattern and S pattern to minimize overlap and can climb obstacles like ladders, drains, or pool lights. Pool robot guarantees complete coverage without missing spots, ideal for pools with complex layouts. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.